25-16, 25-23 is our score in favor of opening day losers National University. They look good here so far. Mosey, is it them looking good? UST playing not to its right level? What are your thoughts on or interpretation of this match?
Well, seeing the second set, I could really say that NU Lady Bulldogs is playing well. As in the first set, you saw Dindin Santiago carry most of the load, but on the second set, it was Pablo was carrying the load for NU. And this is what you really want to see. Because again, they have the right ingredients, they have the right people inside. It's just yung extracting yung roles that they need to have in this squad. And now, slowly, ayan na yung nakikita natin. On the other hand, UST, not so much effort coming from them, especially yung adjustments. Yung pag may error, paulit-ulit, just like yung set kay Tunay. Ilang beses siyang na-block and still, nothing would give it to Tunay. So, yun yung mga decision-making. And plus, they really have to limit their errors, of course, if it's a close match. In reality, it's a close match. Even if, let's say, nanalo UST over TLSU, at NU naman natalo over, di ba? In this game, it is a close match. So, yung errors will really matter.
A coach of mine used to say, every game takes a life of its own.
That's right.
You just cannot rely on what has happened in previous games, whether good or bad. You have to take a new game a new way.
This is what the Lady Bulldogs are doing, diba? Parang forget the last game.
Correct.
So this is let's start it with the clean slate.
Yes.
And they're doing really well.
Patas-patas lang yung numero,
yes,
nakita nyo.
Dun sa numero, wala masyado. It's really, again, yun yung gustong makita ni Coach Francis dito sa Lady Bulldogs, yung closing.
Ako, ito mabigat ngayon, third set. Can they close out the UST Tigresses? Opens up to Myra again. It is on the line.
Pablo just working wonders here in this game. Yan ang pwede. Sometimes you will have Jaime Pomoceno stepping up. You will have Pablo. You will have Ordaz. Such a surprise for Coach Francis. And Dindin will always will remain to be Dindin in every game. Kahit na hindi siguro masyadong magandang laro niyan. But she will put out numbers.
Yes.
Diba? Magsa-stats yan.
Correct.
It will always happen.
It's a matter of getting help. And today she's getting a lot.
Maika Ortiz now winning one over Dindin. So, patas na.
UST, though, we've seen them come back many, many times. We know what they're capable of. Can they put it together? Can they have the same energy? They don't even have the same energy as Dindin commits the net error there. They don't have the same energy when they came out against DLSU. Let's check in with Apple David.
One thing is for sure, according to Coach Francis, mahirap kalaban sa dikita ng UST. Thus, he stressed the importance to build the lead and try their best to limit their errors, especially yung sa service. He also spoke to the setter saying, huwag mong pahirapan yung spikers mo, adjust agad. While to his spikers, he said, kung atake kayo, hatawin nyo. You know what, Kuman Moti, ganado maglaro ang Lady Bulldogs. Dahil sabi ni Coach Janelle, pag nanalo sila, may treat siya for the team. Okay?
Actually, sumayan niya sa ako kay Coach Janelle. Humingi ako hotdog.
Happy birthday treat. Oo nga naman. What a birthday gift to Coach Janelle.
Regalo.
Maruban na Tigla back to the roster. Back and playing for Coach. Ay, it's birthday pa. Hingit na.
Dalawang hotdog na yan dahil dalawang camera shot na kay Coach Janelle. In the meantime, he's not happy because his team is down 3 here in the third set.
Pwedeng gawin nyo be quick, tres. Okay? Be quick, tres. Huwag ka magpaparaning ng ganun dahil si Maika nandun. Okay? Be quick, tres. Yung magkabilang dulo, maliit. Ayan, be quick, tres. Sasabayan niya si Maika. Okay? Tapos sasabay yung dalawa. Huhulihin ka. Ano dapat mong gawin? Let's go.
Yung fading in the background, merong humihirit na huwag mag-relax. Because that is the tendency always for teams that are in the lead, especially
winning the first and the
sets.
second set.
UST's
Bakit nga ba?
human nature, di ba?
Yeah, true.
Parang may konting...
Pahinga.
And
Di bale.
before you know it, nagbinigyan mo na ng kumpiyansa yung kabilang team. 2 puntos lang, pero
That is actually the point there. Yung ikaw, nagpapahinga ka, pero you don't realize that you're giving yung momentum back to the opponent. So, yun yung ayaw mo dapat mangyari.
and some teams like the USTs, the LaSalle's, the Ateneos, and in the case of Adamson against NU the last time, all they need is a window.
Yes.
It's a window.
Do not give them that. Just that
Kahit nga
small
yung-
opportunity. Nako, patay. Pag mga ganyang teams, especially, and you know what's really nice about the UAAP this season is that you kind of feel na almost all the
Balance.
teams are balanced.
Parang
diba?
basketball lang ah.
Oo eh.
Sabi nga natin last year, Mosey, we're coming off a great year last year in women's volleyball. Ano na, pantay na ang labanan halos. Pati sa volleyball. Let's check in with Tina Marasigan.
Masyadong relaxed. We are not challenging the shots and we are executing triple block, although that is not our technique. Ang sabi pa ni Coach, paulit-ulit lang ang mali ng Tigresses. Coach Oji is quite frustrated with the performance of the girls, not because of NU's dominance for the first and second set, but because of the Tigresses' performance per se. They are hoping that they'll eliminate their mistakes this set, especially now that Coach Oji gave Panatikla another chance to come back after being silent in the second set.
Thank you very much, Tina.
Yun nga, diba, yung paulit-ulit yung mali. Yun yung, kahit si Coach Oji, ganun din eh.
Yung timeout niya, pareho nga tunog eh, no? Parang replay lang eh. Good serve. Lantin, hinabol. Free ball. Ritdeg. Ordas, hinanapan ng butas. Lantin. Goes out to Panatikla down the line. Nabuhay si Maru.
Panatikla with that short down the line hit. So well executed. We've seen once again, there were 2 blockers for NU, but not enough.
Also, going back to human nature, minsan kailangan napabubugbog ka ng konti, 2 sets bago ka magising eh.
Well, that has happened so many times.
Oh. It was out? I thought it was off a player. Kit Kat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.